Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5099539 or KB5102203. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this you can go to Windows settings, go to update and security, click on troubleshoot over here, click on additional troubleshooters. Now over here you can see Windows update, click on it and then click on run the troubleshooter and let the troubleshoot complete. Once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update. Still not working, the next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy the first command. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 10 and then check. Still not working, the next step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows settings, go to update and security. Now over here you can see pause option. In my case the pause option is grayed out because I'm receiving this error message, but if you see pause option you can hit pause, and once you paused it then you will see resume updates option. So click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, you can start these services. Now for this you can type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser, the link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can write on the name of the update, that is it's KB509 KB509 then 9539 and then click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case it's version 22H2. Check your Windows version and then open Windows settings, go to system and then you can go to about option, check your system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 10 version 22H2, Windows 10 version 22H2 x64 basis, and this is the right one for me. You can select the right version for you and then click on download. Now on this page click on KB5099539, let the download complete. The download will take some time. Once the download is complete, click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, install this update manually and then restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in the browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down, click on update now over here and then you can run this Windows 10 update assistant. Click on yes to allow, and if there is any update you can, if you see install or update option you can do that. If that does not work, here you can see media creation tool. So click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. Once you click on accept, by default upgrade this PC now will be selected. Click on next and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on accept over here. And here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked, hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 10. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these two updates successfully on a Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.